everyone, it's me Faith. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making date and walnut cake, or in Maltese, cake Tal-Gewz Tamal. This is super traditionally Maltese. I absolutely love it. It's a sticky date cake with almonds. And my cameraman, also behind the camera, absolutely loves it. Requested by him. Let's get started, shall we? The ingredients, as usual, will be on screen and in the description, so you can follow along to the video. Now, you need butter, which is kind of eggs, castor sugar, self-rising flour, chopped walnuts, chopped dates, salt, and vanilla extract. It is all you will need. And you'll need a mixer. And here I have a loaf tin, buttered and floured, so it doesn't stick. You could also put some baking paper at the end, which is, you could also use a round cake tin. They're also made like that, or a loaf tin, any shape you like. You can of course do this by hand, but this goes a bit quicker if you use a mixer. So plug the butter into your mixer. Make sure it's at room temperature. This is actually margarine stork. If you're Maltese, you'll know which brand this is. I think everybody uses it. If you're a keen baker. This is not sponsored, by the way. Give this a good old mix. Okie dokie, once this is light and fluffy, we'll add an egg at a time. One egg at a time. And mix on a low speed. Once that's incorporated, we'll keep on adding another egg. Now, we put the salt in with the flour. And then maybe half. And fold it in on a low speed. And chopped nuts, dates, and the rest of the flour. Do not overmix this, and once you see that it's combined like this, stop mixing and pop it in a tin. Now, once this is ready, we'll just pop it in a tin. Spoonful, or spatula full in this case. And fill your tray. Okay, so after you filled your cake tin, we're gonna pop this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. If it gets a bit too brown, cover it with foil so it doesn't burn. Okay, there you have it, finished date and walnut cake. It smells incredible. Looks amazing. We have a nice crust around the edge and a beautifully soft interior. Now let's break a piece off. Now it is. It's super soft, and the sweetness and the stickiness from the dates, the beautiful crunch and nuttiness from the walnuts. Absolutely amazing. Super nostalgic, and I hope you make it. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment down below telling me how it turned out. If you'd like, you can post it on Instagram and go ahead and tag me in it. It's @fakemuscat. Yeah, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next week with another recipe. Bye bye! Big blooper!